In this video, we are going to learn about OS top 10 components with known vulnerabilities on TryHackMe. So, what is this? Occasionally, you may find that the company or entity that you are pen testing is using a program that already has a well documented vulnerability. Okay, so we are just going to exploit those vulnerabilities, like if any company is using any common CMS or any known software which have some vulnerabilities. So we are just going to find that vulnerability and exploit it in this lesson. So simply get started. You can just go through this theory part and there is no answer needed. So I will simply click on completed. Let's move ahead to next task. Next task is about exploit. So they have explained that recall that since this is about known vulnerabilities, most of the work has already been done for us. Our main job is to find out information of the software and research it until can find exploit. Let's go through with the example web application. So there is one web application called Nostromo. We just need to find its vulnerability. So to find this, we are going to use exploitdb. So open a new tab and search for exploitdb, and on exploitdb we will search for Nostromo and its vulnerability. So this is just a theory. We are not going to exploit Nostromo. This is just a beginner level, like how you can find vulnerability and exploit it. So just go through this theory part. On exploitdb, search for Nostromo, and after that you can see in first line there is one remote code execution vulnerability of Nostromo. Simply click on that, and after scrolling down below you can find its payload. It is written in Python script cv 2019-16278.py. So we can just copy paste this Python code and exploit that Nostromo based website. Now let's go back and open TryHackMe again. Okay, so there is nothing. Simply click on completed. You can just go through these steps and learn more about exploiting this vulnerability. Now let's move ahead to practical tab. So here we need to start the machine. The following vulnerable application, all information you need to exploit it can be found online. Okay, so we just need to find information about this vulnerability on exploitdb. And there is one question, how many characters are in /etc/passwd. They have also explained we can use command like wc-c to find how many characters into passwd. So simply click on start machine. We are also going to start attack box. So simply click on start attack box, and it is starting our machine as well as attack box. Now wait until it assigns IP to our target machine. So just scroll up and copy our target machine's IP. It will take approx 1 to 2 minutes to launch our attack box. So simply wait for that. Now our attack box as well as machine is launched. So copy our machine's IP. Scroll down below. In attack box, click enter. Now paste our target machine's IP into clipboard. Open up Firefox. So open a clipboard and paste our target machine's IP. Again copy it. Close the clipboard. We need to find /etc/passwd. Okay, so just close the clipboard, maximize this into full screen, and search for our target website. So it is 10.10.96.100. Okay, so it is showing that it is a CSE bookstore. Let's try to find vulnerability into this by using nmap --script vuln and our target IP and hit the enter button. Now just analyze the site. Let's check out for there is any footer or anything contains information about this software or not. So simply analyze this site. Scroll down below. In footer there is nothing mentioned that which CMS or which software it is using. So simply we will try to find robots.txt. So in URL add /robots.txt. Okay, robot.txt also not present on this site. Just visit that site again. Let's try to find directories into this site. So for that we are going to open terminal again. We will find directories into this. For that we will use here GoBuster. dir-buster is not installed on our attack box. So use here GoBuster dir for directory scanning, then -u for URL. Copy our target URL. Open terminal and paste our target URL. Therefore we need to specify word list. So for that we use -w, and our word list is in /user/share/word list dir-buster. we will try here small dictionary. So use directory list 2.3 small.txt. 2.3 small.txt and hit the enter button. After scanning is started, you can see we found multiple directories there, like template, database, models, functions. Let's copy database directory because this seems contain any critical information. So let's copy this, open a web browser and try to visit that website. Sorry, I haven't copied that. Remove this and instead of that use database and hit the enter button. Here you can see there are total two files. First one is readme.txt. Open that and into this in last line you can see there is one email address. Let's try to copy this email address and search about this in Google. So I will just copy this. Internet will not work on TryHackMe, so just exit from full screen. In our common browser, search for that email address. Okay, copy that email, paste it into clipboard, copy it from clipboard and search for that email address. Okay, there is first result which is a GitHub URL. Simply visit that and it is showing that it is a PHP bookstore application. Okay, so we can just gather more information about this PHP bookstore application. So this is its source code. Okay, so just go back. There was another link like exploit.db link. So go back, again go back. In Google search you can see there is one explore.db link. Explore only bookstore 1.0. This is explore.db link and which contains an authenticate remote code execution on this application, and there is one payload which is built on Python. So you can just copy this payload and paste it into our uh, attack box and try to attack on this site. So let's copy this. Python script start with import. Don't copy upper code because they are only comments. Okay, copy till print. Open our attack box again, uh, paste it into clipboard, else you can minimize the clipboard. Open a terminal. Let's analyze our nmap scan result in terminal. So we had used here nmap hyphen script vulnerability. So here you can see there are plenty of vulnerabilities like path with form id which seems to be vulnerable for SQL injection attack. Okay, so these are few of vulnerabilities available in this site. Now we already know how we can find exploit using exploit.db. Let's try to find exploit using searchploit. So we already know that site contains bookstore, so simply search for searchploit bookstore. Here you can see there are plenty of websites like arbitrary file upload, unauthenticate remote code execution, SQL injection. You can try any of this vulnerability. Now we need to get a shell access. For that we will use RCA vulnerability. So it is unauthenticated remote code execution vulnerability. We already copied its payload, but if you want to download it from searchploit you can use searchploit -x command. So I'm just going to use searchploit here, then enter command searchploit -x to download. Specify file path, so it is in PHP web apps. Its number is 47887.py. So use here 47887.py and we need to store it in any file. So I will store it into rc.py file and hit the enter button. Here you can see we have successfully downloaded our rc.py. Let's try to catch this and hit the enter button. Here you can see it is our payload. Now let's try to execute this payload on our target side. So for that use command python 3, open a web browser, copy our target URL first, It is 10.10.96.100. Copy our target URL. Don't use Python here. We are going to use Python 3. So open terminal, use Python 3 rc.py and paste our target IP and hit the enter button. It is showing error that exploit online bookstore unauthenticated remote code execution. Okay, there is seems something is missing. Let's try to use Python instead of Python 3. Use up arrow for a previous command. Instead of Python 3, use Python. Hit the enter button. Still it is showing error. I think there is some issue into this rc.py. So let's try to analyze that file by using cat rc.py. Scroll up and try to find that exploit which is showing error. Okay, so there should be comment in exploit URL and path, and we need to edit this file. So for that we are going to use nano text editor. So just use nano to edit this file and add hashtag in front of that exploit and URL. Nano rc.py, hit the enter button, add hash in front of exploit URL, path, file type, and to save this use Ctrl O and hit the enter button. To exit from this use Ctrl X, and let's try to exploit it again. Use up arrow for previous command, hit the enter button, and here you can see it is asking that do you wish to launch a shell. Click yes, and we successfully got the shell. After ls you can see we can easily able to find files and folders into this. Now minimize this tab, and our command was wc-c/etc/passwd to find how many characters into this etc passwd. So simply paste that into clipboard, copy it from clipboard and paste it into our target machine by Ctrl Shift V. Else you can use the right click and paste, hit the enter button. There are total 1611 characters in /etc/passwd. So let's enter this value in answer and click on submit, and we have successfully solved this challenge. So this is how you can easily solve OS top 10 vulnerability challenge on TryHackMe. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also if you are interested in learning ethical hacking or bug bounty hunting, you can simply enroll into my course. I have given the course link to the description. You can just check it out. Thank you for watching.